What's going on, everyone? Trent here to tell you all about the Tusk impact wheels for the KTM 50. Now, if you've got a little ripper at your house, you already know it's super important that your wheels are as strong as possible. These impacts are a great upgrade for strength, but that's not the only cool thing about these. Let's get into these wheels and show you exactly why you want these on your KTM 50. All right, so for the 2024 model year, KTM fully revamped their 50s. They went through every single part, and one of the big things that they changed was their wheel setup. When we first got our hands on one of the new 50s, we hurried and threw a set of impacts on it, only to find that they didn't work. We were running into fitment issues, the spokes were hitting the brake calipers, and it was no good. But that meant that we got to make an all new wheel setup for the new bike, and so we focused on making sure this was the strongest wheel set that you could possibly get for your 50. Working outside to in, you're going to see that we've got a great 70/50 aluminum rim on here, offered in black, and then you'll have the 304 stainless steel spokes, and then to cap this thing off, we've got a forged 6061 aluminum hub. Going throughout this wheel, this is going to be super strong. This is a great upgrade to every single component in the wheel, and you're going to see that in great durability no matter how big your little ripper is sending it. Now, when it comes to fitment though, one of the big things that we saw was the old design didn't clear. So what we've done is we've upgraded to the 2024 style hub. Now this is going to be more big bike style. These spokes have a lot less bend in them than the old design, and that's going to make it so that your spokes don't have the weak point at the nearly 90-degree bend of the old spoke. So you're going to have stronger spokes, a better overall design, and this allowed us to get the clearance that we needed for that OEM style fit. Now, when it comes to fitment, one big thing that I will point out is with these, this is going to be a great upgrade for strength and durability for your 24 and newer 50s. But if you've got a 2015 through 2023 bike, this is going to bolt right up, giving you not only the newer design and the added benefits to that, but also going to give you all those stronger components. So if you've got a KTM 50 from 2015 to current in your garage, this is the strong wheel setup that you're going to want to throw on your bike for your little ripper. To get yours, jump on the link below or go to RockyMountainATVMC.com. As always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain is the place to be. I'm Trent, and thanks so much for watching.